Case Systems specializes in building plastic laminate furniture for the educational, healthcare, laboratory environments.
Boston Tech specializes in ergonomic adjustable height workstations for more industrial settings.
Case is a high-volume producer of building wood products. Boston Tech is more of that high-end custom solution. So it's kind of a neat 1-2 punch for us.
The combination of Case Systems and Boston Tech's capabilities under one roof opens up a number of different options for us to provide the best solution to our customers. We can take your design and engineer it so that it can be repeated with consistency and quality throughout its manufacturing process.
On a per order basis, we pull the correct core and add lamination to it. The lamination is done in bulk quantity, mostly on a cold press, sometimes on a hot press. It allows us to do larger pieces or custom pieces. We have 5 high volume production panel saws on site, allowing us to produce over 8,000 parts per day. Saw operators will cut to order based on the layout requirements from what CAM and cut right. Then those panels feed into the edge banding. We edge band across 6 banders straight line. Whether they get 020 tape or 3mm depends on the customer requirements. We mostly use EVA glue, but we're capable of utilizing PUR as well. We also have the capability of contour edge banding as well. After the edge banding comes machining, which parts either go to our mechanical fastener operation, our glue and dowel operation, or our CNC operations. We utilize mechanical and glue and dowel technology here on site, which is unique to a woodworking facility. Not many other places can utilize both and be good at them. We utilize 2 flatbed CNCs and 3 vertical CNCs. Vertical process paneling is much faster, it's more efficient, and we can do a lot of custom work on the flatbed CNCs. After that, parts are kitted together into cabinet groups, and then they're assembled and sent down to shipping. On the Boston Tech side, we have a world-class, fully automated fiber optic laser on site with capabilities of cutting up to 1-inch thick plate steel on a 5x10 sheet. We can run lights out, we can run with minimal labor, we can cut very big parts, and we can cut a lot of parts. From there, they either get bent or welded, or a combination of both. We weld a lot of sheet steel, and we weld a lot of tube steel, and we're good at welding both. Our guys hand weld everything on site. They're just really good at making things. Our powder coating capabilities are world class. We just installed a brand new booth. It allows us to paint things more efficiently. We utilize a 5-stage wash process with a preheat into the powder coat booth, and then things are baked, they're spun around the top, and then they're offloaded. Our color capability is up to the customer. If you can find it, we can order it, we can use it. After that, it's assembled using our assembly team.
Case Systems belongs to the American Institute of Architects as well as the Architectural Woodwork Institute.
We work in their guidelines and build products to their recommended practices to make sure that we can support the needs of those out in the marketplace, our customer base, as well as build the level of quality that's expected to produce good end results and a high-performing product for our customer.
Case Systems also invests in new equipment and technology to expand our capabilities and our capacity, so our customers have access to the latest in technology and equipment.
It will be fun and exciting to see, what comes out of that and how we can assist our customers even better tomorrow than we do today.
An ideal contract partner for Case Systems is one who wants to collaborate, whose expectations are an exceptional customer experience. That is what we're going to provide. And we're going to do it with a quality product at a competitive price. And we're going to work together to build that relationship where we know we can count on each other to drive success for each organization.
We can solve the challenge of scale for other people. We can solve the challenge of lack of experience for other people. We can help you with component parts that just take a lot of time to make. We have the capability and we have the capacity to help other people do more.
We have the experience with building high volume. We have the custom process. We've got the engineering. We've got the project management resource. We're not just about building a box. It really is about building a solution for our customer.